Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I didn't film an intro for this video, so I decided to go back to my old ways and do a voiceover. I did a very easy neutral glam look for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, I don't know what to say because this is a voiceover, so let's just get on with the video. Hello, so we're going to be starting off with the eyebrows. I'm using the Brow by Benefit. I love this pomade. So I'm just going to be lining the bottom part of my eyebrow and doing small little strokes of hair into my eyebrow. I'm doing a really nice, light, fluffy brow because I'm going to be doing a pretty glam look. Now I'm using 35 eye palette Morphe, using that light brown shade and just packing that product into my eyebrow to have a really nice light brow. Now I'm going to be using the Paolaawesome base to set my lid. Love this base for simple looks, heavy glam looks, or colorful looks, or neutral looks. It's great for all of that. You can clean up your eyebrow with it and set your lids, and it works perfectly. Now I'm going to be using the Morphe and James Charles palette, using that dark brown shade, packing it on in the outer corner of my eye, and with little to no product left on the brush, blending it up a little bit higher, then using a clean small blending brush and blending out that outer corner in circular motions to have a nice clean edge. Then using the Frozen and ColourPop palette, I'm going to be using this warm tan shade and packing it on the edge that I blended out that brown shade, just packing it on there very well. And then I'm going to be using this Morphe brush here to blend out that edge in a windshield wiper motions. Then going back to the Morphe palette, I'm using this light brown shade and blending out that edge to have a perfectly smoked out outer edge, and also blending it a little bit into the inner corner there. Now I'm going to be packing on those colors again. I'm using this fluffy brush, lightly packing on some of that brown shade to have it all nicely blended out, and just blending it in circular motions to have a nice edge there, have a nice smoky effect in the outer corner. So I'm just blending it in circular motions with a slight amount of product on the brush. Then going back with that tan shade, packing it up in that edge and blending it out again. I know I'm talking kind of fast, but I'm kind of high on caffeine right now, and this video I kind of edited a bit too quickly, so yeah, I'm sorry if I'm going to do fast. So yeah, I'm just blending out those colors out there on the crease, going back to the Paolaawesome base and cutting my crease, packing on a lot of that product on my lid, and then just opening up my eyes real big, looking like I'm possessed. Yes, just like that, to mark where the crease is going to be cut. And this helps a lot to make sure where you need to cut it and that you don't undercut it or overcut it. So this is a perfect technique you can try. Just open up your eyes real big, roll them all around, and that helps you cut your crease perfectly. I'm using my finger to blend out the edge to have a nice diffused edge. Now to set the lid, I'm going back to 35 eye palette. I'm going to be using this shade. It's called Get Fresh. It's like a light cream color. I'm just going to be packing that on the lid where I applied my Paolaawesome base and just packing it on there as my lid color. Then going back to the ColourPop palette, I'm going to be using that warm shade there to just blend that in between the dark brown and the lid color. Make sure I have a nice diffusion of colors in that area, so it doesn't look all just like two different colors in the middle. I don't know how to explain that, but yeah, you get what I mean. Now I'm using this champagne shade from 35 eye palette as well, and I'm just using it to highlight my inner eye corners and lifting it up a little bit higher. Sorry for my nails, they look disgusting. I know, I'm so sorry, but yeah, you know, quarantine. I'm using the Epic Ink liner from NYX. You guys know it's my favorite liner. It's like the 5th one I go through of these. I'm not kidding. And I'm just gonna be lining my eyes from the inner eye corner. I do like an inner eye corner wing, and then flicking off out in the edge, making a huge wing, making me look like a feline. I love it. It's great. Now I'm going to the skin, I'm going to start with my aloe vera mist. You guys know I love using that. And then I'm using my vitamin C facial serum. If you guys don't use vitamin C, get on it. It's amazing. You won't regret it. Drum roll, please, for one of the best foundations out there in the drugstore, the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. Oh my god, guys, I've been using this non-stop. It's amazing for full coverage looks and for simple, easier looks as well. Definitely go try this out. You can get it on Ulta online and get it delivered. So quarantine is not an excuse to not try this foundation. So definitely try it out. It's amazing. I'm just gonna, blend it in with my Real Techniques sponge. Then I'm using the NYX contour stick. This is one of the darker shades because I ran out of my light shades that go for my skin, so I'm using this darker one. I'm just using the lighter shade of the two, and just contouring my forehead, my nose, and my lips, getting them look all nice and plump, and my jaw, and the basics, and just blending it out with this Morphe foundation brush. Now for concealer, I'm using this concealer from Maybelline, and I'm just using it in the under eyes and to clean up that wing and making it look all nice and sharp, that edge. Also make sure you get the nose, the sides of the nose, so you can have a really nice and sleek nose. Using the Real Techniques sponge again, just blending it in. Set everything in and make sure it doesn't move or budge. I'm using the NYX SFX Set Powder. I used to hate this powder, but I don't know why I started loving it, and I just use it to set my face all the time. It's really nice and soft on the skin, so it's great. Going back to that tan shade from the ColourPop palette, just smudging out my lower lash line, and this is a trick you guys need to try out. So to make my lower lashes look full, I'm using my eyeliner and doing small little lines, and that, when I apply my mascara, it makes my lashes like I have a lot of lower lashes. Like it's really cool. You guys should definitely try it out. So yeah, just coating my lashes with mascara, and now for my eyebrows, I'm using the Control Freak eyebrow gel from NYX to set them in. And for my bronzer, I'm using the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer. You guys know I love this, and just tanning up that skin a bit more. For blush, I'm using my NYX palette. That's all yeah, and now for highlighter, I'm using the palette again from James and Morphe, and just highlighting my skin with that. And yeah, for lips, I'm using the Necromancy, I don't know how to say that, I'm sorry, Cosmetica lipstick. It's a Puerto Rican brand, and they have amazing lipsticks. This one in the shade of Bonfire Dance. Definitely go check them out. Then on top of that, I'm using the NYX Cosmetic Metals lip shine thing. I don't know what it specifically is or the name of the shade, but I'll probably put it down there in the description box. And yeah, that's the whole look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. Please leave comments down below of looks you would like to see. And yeah, thank you guys for watching as always. Love ya. Bye.